Okay, we're going to talk about our rainbow station. It is right when you walk into the door. So here's the door. Here's rainbow station. So it includes a bunch of stuff. So if you find the little thing that says rainbow station, you will find here colored pencils, markers, crayons, and color sticks. So colored pencils in the middle. They're all in rainbow order. They are here for you to use. Please make sure that you take care of them. They go back right side up, so tips up. Okay, so that way you don't break the tips down, and that way we can see what color they actually are. Make sure you put the colors where the colors are supposed to be in, so that way we keep them nice and organized. Down at the bottom row, we have crayons and colored sticks organized by warm colors, cool colors, and neutral colors. So warm colors are yellow, orange, pink, red. This one has crowns in it, if you can see, and they are just all mixed in together. Okay. The next one has colored sticks. Colored sticks are essentially colored pencils, but they're big like crayons. So that way you don't have to use a whole colored pencil to fill in a whole thing. You use this to fill in big spots of colored pencil. So this is an orange one. There's orange and red in here. I should have yellow colored sticks coming, and I'll add them to this. Next is the colored sticks, the cool colors. So this is purple, green, and blue. You got cool colors of crayons, purple, green, and blue. Now we go into our neutrals. So we have neutral crayons, and we actually have neutral sticks in the same bucket. So they're all in this one. Next we have brown and black crayons, and then we have brown, black, and gray sticks. So those are all neutral colors. Up top we have our geometric foam little things that we use to draw. So they're actually little shapes, geometric shapes. So they're all up here. This is a glass container, so make sure if you do get it down, you're really careful. This is marker caps, so if you see a marker that doesn't have a cap, there's extra caps in here, or vice versa. If you see a cap that doesn't have a marker, throw it in here so that way we can find it later. Also glue caps. Sometimes we have glue sticks dry out. Take the cap off, throw it in here, then you can throw the bottom away. We keep the caps because sometimes we have glue sticks without caps, or we lose the cap if the cap breaks. We want to have an extra. Okay, I also have stress balls up here. We do not throw them around my room. They pretty much just stay up there. If you would like to squeeze one or do something with one, please ask before you get them down. We also have right next to it, just scoot just a little bit farther over here, we have markers. Okay, so we have 3 buckets of markers. There's warm, cool, and neutral. And then in the boxes, we actually have what's called multicultural markers. So there's markers in every shade of brown for different types of skin tone. I have this in colored pencils and in crayons, and they will actually be right up here. They are not in yet, but I will put them right up there for you to use for different colors for skin tones. Okay? So everything's right here. I even have a little farther over right here is crazy scissors. If you're a left-handed scissors, if you're left-handed, I have left-handed scissors right over here. So that way you have your own pair of scissors. I also have, let's get you closer so you can see. I also have compasses, different types of compasses. I have this kind, I have this kind, I have this kind, I have this kind. So there's different kinds of compasses depending on what you want to do. If you need to measure something, I have yard, measuring lines. I have all kinds of stuff in here. That way if you need to make a shape, there's triangle ones. You should be able to find all of that in here. So that includes like the rainbow station. There's a paper that says what utensil do I use, the brightness level. So markers are going to be brighter than crayons, crayons are going to be brighter than colored pencils, colored pencils are going to be brighter than color sticks. Depends on how you want to use it. If the brightness level doesn't matter and you're doing like a little drawing, you might want to use colored pencils because they're easier to use. On smaller things, it's just really up to you. Okay, so rainbow station right here at the window right by the door.